question number 8. Question number 8 says, a quarterback throws a pass. The distance above the ground in feet is modeled by the equation, where y is the height above the ground and x is the time the ball is in the air in seconds. The ball hits the ground in approximately how many seconds? All right. So the question wants us to find when the ball hits the ground, all right, and how many seconds. So it's asking me about time. All right. So let's try to illustrate this. So it says a quarterback. So we have a quarterback, all right, that throws the ball, but does the ball stay in the air? No. So he starts at the ground, throws the ball, all right, but at some point the ball gets to this highest point, then it gets back down to the ground, all right? So in this case, guys, we want to find when it's going to go from where he started to where he ended, all right? However, all we know when in relation to this is to calculate the highest point, okay? So to find the highest point, it's also the same as finding the halfway point, okay? To do that, you use a formula x equal negative b over 2a. That's how you calculate the time to get halfway there. All right. So a lot of times, guys, I'll set this up like negative 1 parentheses over 2 parentheses. All right. What is your b, guys? Your b is 10. What is your a? Your a is negative 1.05. All right. Negative 1 times 10 is negative 10. 2 times negative 1.05, so again 2 times negative 1.05 will give me negative 2.1. Alright? Then I would do negative 10 divided by 2.1, and then I would get some very long decimal. Alright? So again, guys, if you did negative 10 divided by 2.1, you get some very long decimal. All right, so positive 4.7619047. All right. However, guys, that is the time that it takes me to get halfway there. All right, so to get to the ground, I need to either add this number to itself or multiply it by 2, all right? So again, to figure out when get to the ground, so again, to figure out to the ground or when it hits the ground, all right, I need to multiply this answer by 2. So again, I would need to multiply this answer right here by 2. Okay? So when I multiply this by 2, guys, I would get 9.523894. Alright? Did it tell us to round? Alright, so it didn't tell us to round, guys. Alright? But let's try to find the closest answer that would be close to my answer right here. Alright? And my closest answer would be 10. Alright? So again, my closest answer would be 10. Okay? So my answer would be D. So again, guys, just like that.